known for her spirituality, a pure and divine soul, Madam Rama Sharma ji, Block Project Officer cum Principal, Government Model Senior Secondary School, Shilai, highly energetic, a person who always stands there for the betterment of the and the welfare of the students and the institution, respected K.S. Verma ji, Vice Principal of this institution, Senior most lecturer and the in charge of this sub-divisional level Children's Science Congress, Shri K.S. Negi ji, panel of judges, quiz masters, Shri Suresh Sharma ji, Dinesh Chauhan ji, Ravindra Prashar ji, all the dignitaries sitting on this side of the dais, escort teachers from the different school, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of this institution, all the little scientists and the participants who have come all the way to join this and gracing over this occasion, and student of this host school who is witnessing this event. First of all, on behalf of my entire team, I would like to thank and welcome you all for making this event a successful event. Respected ma'am, 112 students got registered with our CSC portal, and out of which only 96 students took part in this event. In this event, we had 3 different types of activities. One was mathematical Olympiad. The Olympiad was for all the 3 categories, junior, senior and senior secondary category. Second event that we had in our event was science quiz. Again it was for junior, senior and senior secondary category. And third event that we had here was scientific model competition. It was only for 2 categories, junior and senior category. I would like to congratulate all those students who stood first, second and third, and they will represent our subdivision at district level, which is scheduled on 6th of November. And for those students who by the any reason may not be in the position of getting or securing first, second and third position or rank, for those students I would like to tell you a little story of Thomas Edison Alva. How many of you have heard about the Thomas? Is there anybody who have heard about the Thomas Edison Alva? Nobody? Actually, Thomas Edison Alva, when he was in his school life, one day he was coming back from his school to his home, and principal of the institution handed over a folded letter to him and told him that you have to give it your only to your mother. When he returned home, he gave that letter to his mother. As his mother saw that letter, her eyes got full of tears. Then he asked his mother, "Why are you crying?" Then she replied, "I'll explain you in detail later on, but right now I am reading this letter in front of you." And she read the letter. She read, "Dear parents, your child Thomas is a genius student, and our institution do not have adequate staff, competent staff to teach him. So you teach him himselfly at your home." So she started teaching him at her home, and one day, how many of you knows that the electric bulb got invented by the Thomas? None of you are listening me, I think, because your intention and you people are actually not want to listen anybody. One day when Thomas was, after few years, his mother got died, And one day when Thomas was free at his home, he was roaming here and there and suddenly saw that folded paper that was kept in a drawers by his mother. Then he actually saw what was being written on those paper. In that paper, it was written clearly that, "Dear parents, your child Thomas is a feeble-minded student. He is totally confused personality. He do not have sense to understand or analyze the things. So, we are not allowing him anymore in our institution. You may take your ward away from this institution." Then he cried for hours and finally wrote in his personal diary that Thomas was born feeble-minded according to his teachers and principal of that institution, but my mother made me a genius and one of the renowned scientists of the century. Similarly, one more story. How many of you have heard about the Dream 11? Do you know what is Dream 11? Actually, the founder and the chief executive officer of Dream 11 has been rejected 50 times by the employer as and when he went for a job by saying that you do not have business temperament or business IQ. But how many of you know that around 1,50,000 employees are working with Dream 11? The person who got rejected 50 times, he is the employer and he has given jobs to 1,50,000 employees. So actually, defeat doesn't mean you don't have potential or capability. It totally depends upon your will. You may do better next time. So finally, I would like to thank our respected panel of judges, quiz master, for conducting this event in very smooth and fairy manners. I would especially like to thank our mess committee, Shri Narayan sir and his team. Especially thanks to our entire science team, all the escorts from different schools, and finally all the colleagues and administration of this institution who directly or indirectly help us out to make this event a successful event. In the end, I would like to conclude myself with the statement that this ranking and grading doesn't mean a lot. These are just for creating divides. Ranking and grading doesn't mean a lot. It just create divide. Ultimate aim of life is to be happy. How to be happy? So be happy and have a great time ahead. Thank you. Thank you all for joining us in our 32nd Sub-Divisional Level Children's Science Congress. Thank you.
बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड मोटिवेशनल बातें बच्चों को बताई थॉमस एडिसन अल्वा के बारे में। जो व्यक्ति इस सोसाइटी से और समाज से रिजेक्टेड हुए थे, उन्होंने रिजेक्शन को स्वीकार नहीं किया है। हार जीत आपके मन के अंदर है। आज अगर कुछ बच्चे यहाँ से हार कर जा रहे हैं, इसे हार नहीं कहेंगे, जिंदगी सब कुछ आप सब कुछ नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो ये अपने ऊपर होता है आत्मविश्वास आपका। अगर आपका आत्मविश्वास है तभी आप जिंदगी में कुछ बड़ा कर सकते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। और मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, जुनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है। जब मैंने पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बनाया घोंसला, तो बोली तिनका उठाना पड़ता है। बहुत मेहनत लगती है किसी भी काम को करने के लिए, तो आपको गिव अप नहीं करना है, जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है। तो इसी कड़ी में अब मैं मंच पे बुलाना चाहूँगा इस विद्यालय की मुखिया, आज के मुख्य अतिथि प्रधानाचार्य महोदय जी को।